So, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show my new graphics card. So, it's still very rough, so I'm hoping it won't just explode on me. Okay, that was pretty stupid joke, but nevertheless, here's my new graphics card. And as I said, it's still kind of unstable, but I mean, it's fine, it's working. Also, that would have been very fun if I forgot to save it, or Scrapping Gun couldn't load it. But as you can see, it's not that different from the graphics card that I shown you earlier, my first graphics card that I've made. But this one has a little bit more flexibility, I guess. Oh yeah, it has a little bit more flexibility. So in the future I'm thinking of adding some VRAM, timer VRAM, so it will be slow, but I will be able to store a lot of sprites, which is very nice. So for sprites, I'm thinking maybe I will add some kind of transformations. I don't know, I really don't know. So except the position, maybe some kind of I'm not really familiar with old like consoles. I remember hearing something about they having some kind of transformation source on sprites, like you can make waves, like waviness on sprites and things like that. So I might not implement this, or might implement this, I'm really not sure. Probably just the sprite and the position of the sprite. But nevertheless, I'll also be adding a line drawing algorithm, and maybe even polygon drawing, if I'll figure out how to make polygons filled. Because what's the point of, well, actually drawing polygons, even if not filled ones, is still faster. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Thing is, this graphics card, in theory, on my in my pad, it should be able to draw characters, draw lines, and draw sprites. So that's my planning on this graphics card. For now, it can I implement only the character drawing. I'll implement the other things later. So line drawing when I'll make a line drawing when I will finish the proper division program. I mean modular. Module, not modular. Because here I have like a division 16-bit, right? It does work. It can divide. Don't get me wrong. It can divide. But it's very, very unstable. And it's very not good to use something that is unstable. I had a previous... this is actually the old version of a division. I had a newer one, but it always rounded numbers up for some reason. I'm really not sure why. But when I finish the division, like proper division, I know that it should be fairly easy. So when I finish it, I'll make a line drawing, and then a sprites. Probably I can already make some kind of sprite drawing. It's not that hard. So I might implement the sprite drawing first and then the line drawing, because line drawing is harder. So let's actually print some characters. This is not full keyboard, it has much more. I mean, the ASCII table contains much more symbols than that. Well, not much more, but more simply. So let's add a spacebar. Unfortunately, I don't have a pointer, so you still cannot see where exactly your thing is. Oh, I actually know how I can implement the pointer. It should be extremely simple to implement. Now I'm thinking about it. So yeah, I might implement the I'll implement the pointer too, probably. I'm not sure if I will, because I mean, this will be a general purpose screen, not only for text, so yeah, I'm really not sure. But for now, let's draw again standard hello world. Let's add another spacebar. H E L L O. New line. Space. I don't have a short spacebar. Like, this is a spacebar that takes 3 columns. So as you can see, there was 2 spacebars, and as you can see, here's 4 columns skipped. Okay, it doesn't matter. It will be off center. I probably should make it the spacebar a little bit shorter, or make another one, but for now it's fine. So war R L and D. If we add a spacebar, let's add a spacebar and the exclamation point, exclamation mark. Yeah, this a very annoying thing. When I go here, Scrap Mechanic doesn't draw the thing, but when I do that, it draws it. It's extremely annoying. Honestly, it's so freaking annoying. I really don't understand why. Why, Axolot? Why would you do that? Why? It's such a pain now. But yeah, hello world. As you can see, new version of hello world. So before I make another new line, I'm going to show to you the inputs. So here I have input for X position, Y position. Here I have the input for the spaces between rows. So right by default it's set to 5. I mean, no, to 6. So the character, for example, is located right here. I mean, the position is right here. And when we make a new line, it skips 6 of those. Well, from here it adds 6. So it will be right here. So I hope that makes sense. Yeah, Scrap Mechanic clearly doesn't make sense. I have physics on advanced, by the way. Right, so, and let's set it to 5. So we'll skip 5 letters. I mean, rows. Wait, have I told you? Yeah, I told you about purple gates. And here I have also blue gates. They're very similar because of the shadow. But trust me, this is purple, this is blue. So, and the blue right here controls the width of the screen. From here to, well, the chosen width. So right now it's set to 32 because the resolution is 32. But if we chose like 1, then it will draw the letters in just this column right here. Right, so let's finally have I set the... Yep, I did. So let's make a new line. I just want to add something. Oh, I don't have a dot right here. Oh, so sad. Yeah, let's add V2. I want to add version to make a good preview. I don't have a point though. Shit. And I don't remember the code. I mean the byte, right? Yeah, let's just do that. V20. Makes total sense. Hello world. Version 20. Yeah, that looks not very great because it's too close. But you get the point, right? Let me show you now the width of the screen. So as I told you, if we set it to 1, then we'll be drawing each character on the same row. I mean, on the same column. So I don't know which character. Let's go with M. What? Oh, I just found a bug. Now we will not have this issue. Okay, now it will. I fixed it. Yep, here we go. And it will still skip to the next line. So yeah, it works. It works perfectly fine. There is no bugs. Thanks. There is no bugs. It would be very annoying. But let's choose. So each character is maximum 5. So let's go with 10. So the length of 10. So we should be able to print 2 characters. Well, 2 large characters like W or M. I think that's the only characters that are 5 by 5. N is actually, here's the N. It's 4 by 5. So I can fit more. So let's go with just W and M. Oh, actually I drew it at the same. What? Oh yeah, actually it does. Right, okay. That makes some sense, I'm guessing. Yeah, I apologize that I'm doing that on the on the go. I'm just unsure. I haven't really tested the width thing because I doubt that you really need this. But I mean, maybe. Not sure why would you need to control this. But you can ignore that input and it will just work fine. So we can print everything. Nice. Alright, so yeah, I think I've shown you pretty much that's all. Here's the keyboard. Kind of a mess. But it's simply because I have to input like the code of each button of each character by hand, like manual. So yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate this. Liked if you liked. I have a Discord server, by the way. I'll leave a link in the description, so if you want you can join. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. I wish you a good day or night. Bye.